What will make a leader more effective? Especially pag siya ay nagko-communicate sa kanyang mga tao. Be it via training, online seminar, conversation. The way that you can maximize the participation of your group, of your people sa mga meetings so that you can be more effective and they also can become more effective sa kanilang mga functions, sa kanilang mga roles and responsibilities is that at the end of your meeting, always assign a task. Always merong call to action. Kasi kahit ano kaganda pang meeting na yan, kahit ano pa ka-impactful yung mga topics nyo dyan, but wala silang plan of action, wala silang assignment in the next 3 days, in the next 7 days, wala silang concrete na gagawin after ng yung meeting sa kanila, useless yan. Sayang ang effort, sayang ang energy, sayang ang resources, baka nag-rent pa kayo ng hotel. Right? So that's how you become much more effective leader and a communicator. Always, after the training, after the meeting, assign tasks immediately.